Hello students, today in this video I am going to teach English language for standard 5, that is articles. Actually this is the continuation of the last video. In last video I explained you about the indefinite articles, that is a and am. In this video I am going to explain you the definite articles and about the omission of articles. Definite article, that is the. So the is a definite article because it points out person or thing in particular. It specifies something in particular said, so the is used. Now the is used for both singular and plural nouns, countable and uncountable. So we'll say the uses of article the, where this article the is used. First one, when we refer something, a person or thing in particular, there we use, so refer a person or thing in particular. Then we use the, like the example, the girl writes beautifully. The table is very big. As you can see in both the sentences, something particular about the girl and a table is said. That's why it takes the article the. Now second, it is used before singular noun, but when it indicates the whole class of that. Singular nouns, when it talks about or indicates the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Faithful animal. Now this dog, one dog, this is a singular noun and it represents the whole class. When it talks about all the dogs, so it will take article the. Okay, like the rose smells sweet. This rose, one rose speaks about all the roses, so here also it takes the article the, talking about the whole class. Third use of the is that it is used before proper noun. Proper nouns, like the name of the person, place, things, it will take article the, like seas, oceans, deserts, name of deserts, mountains, holy books, rivers. Okay, so it will all take, what is that? It will take newspaper, name of newspapers. This all will take the, if name is mentioned, like suppose you are talking about sea, name of the sea is given, like the Caspian Sea, the Black Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, it will take the article the. Name of the ocean, like the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, it will take the article the. Name of any desert given, like the Kalahari Desert, the Gobi Desert, the Sahara Desert, again the is used. Name of mountains, the Alps or the Himalayas, again it will take the. Name of any holy book, okay, name of the books like the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, name of any rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, this will all take the. Now newspaper, if the name of the newspaper, if simply newspaper means it is a common noun, but if name is given like the Telegraph, the Statement, the Indian Express, it will take the before that. Now the is also used before superlative degree, before superlative degree, degrees. Now you have all degree of comparisons already you have studied, that positive, comparative and superlative. So when we talk about the superlative degree, like the oldest, the highest, the smallest, the fastest, in all the case it takes the article the. When before something that exists only one, something that exists only one in the whole, that means the sun, the moon, the earth, it will take the, it is unique. Then before directions, any direction we have to name, it will also take the, like the north, the south, the east, the west, the northeast, the southwest, all will take the. So you have seen these are all the uses of the. Next we'll come to omission of articles. Omission of articles means where we don't use any articles, we omit. Okay, first is before abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns also we don't use any article, like knowledge, honesty, laughter, then kindness. We don't use any articles before that. Second is before material nouns. Material nouns. Now before the names of the material, if the material noun is given, there also we don't, like cotton, jute, milk, gold, silver, iron. These are used to make some other material, so we don't take any article before that. Then name of the meals or dishes, we don't use any article, like dinner or supper, breakfast, lunch, we don't say the breakfast, the lunch, we never use any article, or a or an also we don't use. Then languages, languages or subjects, before these also we don't, like the Hindi, the English, the Urdu we don't say. Hindi, English, Urdu, Marathi, Odia, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, we never use the before that. Before subjects also we don't put the or we use any articles, like the physics, the chemistry we don't say. Physics, chemistry, bio, English, Hindi, never takes any articles. Article is omitted. Okay. Then before plural countable nouns. Plural countable nouns. If it is general sense. If in general we are talking, that will also not take any article before that. For example, cows give milk. Now in general we are talking about all the cows that gives milk. So it will not take any articles. Like children like sweets. So children like sweets is common in general. So we don't use any article before that. So these are all, this is all in this chapter. We have studied definite and indefinite article and omission of articles. So you go through both the slides, both the videos along with the study material, and that's all I have in this video. So thank you for watching.